What's the meaning of Court of Appeal? Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal.
Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal. A court of appeal is a legal court that has the authority to review and possibly change decisions made by lower courts. It is typically a higher court that hears cases on appeal from lower courts, which have already made a decision on the case. The purpose of the Court of Appeal is to provide an avenue for parties to challenge the decisions of lower courts if they believe a mistake has been made. In summary, a court of appeal may modify or reverse decisions made by lower courts based on its review of the case.